Want to start painting with watercolor but don't know where to start? These are all the equipment you'll need for beginners. Number 1. Watercolor paper. The type of paper you use is very important. Watercolor paper is specifically made to hold more water than regular printer paper, making it easier to paint. There are two types of paper, cold press and hot press. The main difference is in the texture. Cold press has a more rough surface, while hot press is smooth. Whether you choose hot or cold press is up to your preference. Personally, I like a lot of texture in my paintings, so I usually stick to cold press paper. Number 2 is brushes. There are many types of brushes out there, but soft synthetic brushes work best for watercolor. Do not use any old hard brushes, as these ones make it hard to create soft and flowy strokes. And try to have at least 2 brushes, one big one and one small one. I would recommend getting round brushes because of the way the hairs are tied together. With some practice and control, you'll be able to create a wide variety of paint strokes with just a single brush. Number 3. Water containers. Any type of container or cup would work just fine. I like to reuse old takeaway containers while painting. The important part is to always have 2 separate water containers. One for dirty water, which is to clean our paintbrushes, and one for clean water, which will act as our white paint. So we always need to make sure this container does not get dirty with paint. Number 4. Cloths. We will need somewhere to dry our brushes after washing them, so we will need a piece of cloth or paper towel. Any old rag will work just fine. And last but not least is our watercolor paint. They come in tubes or in travel sets like these, which has miniature pens filled with different colors, but both of them works just fine.